My dear job aspirants, an Onam gift from the State Bank of India. The State Bank of India has notified its clerical vacancies, junior associates vacancies. 5,008 vacancies are announced. The exams will be conducted in 2022-23. I shall go through the details of the notification. It is a big chance for all of you. First of all, we shall go through the number of vacancies. All India vacancies 508, in Kerala 270, Tamil Nadu 355 and Karnataka 316. I have briefed you the vacancies of Kerala and the neighboring states, since most of the students are from Kerala and neighboring states to us. There will be a prelim examination and a mains exam. There is no interview at all. So, prelims will be an elimination test, while mains will be the real selection test. First of all, I shall go through the most important thing, the last date of submitting the application. You can submit the application from today up to 27/9/2022, meaning September 29. Till September 29 you can submit your applications. Do not wait till the last moment, there will be data congestion, network issues. So, make sure that you rush your application as soon as possible. Then the eligibility. As far as the eligibility, age wise eligibility, I shall tell you, minimum age is 20, maximum 28 as on 1/8/2022. 2028, minimum 20, maximum 28 as on 1/8/2022. That means you should not be born before 2/8/1994 and after 1/8/2002. Both days are inclusive. For OBC, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, ex-servicemen, all these categories, there are age relaxation as per the government guidelines. Now, as far as the qualification is, educational qualification is concerned, you got to be a graduate in any discipline. There are certain doubts in the minds of people that engineers cannot apply, postgraduates cannot apply. No, nothing. If you are a graduate in any discipline, you are eligible to apply, but you must be, your graduation certificate must be of 30/11/2022, meaning it must be something that is produced, that is issued before 30/11/2022. You need to have a mark list or a provisional certificate or a degree certificate, anything will do, but the date mentioned in that must be, you must passed on or before 30/11/2022. Now, I shall speak about the examination, the prelims and the mains. Prelims exam has got 3 subjects: English, numerical ability and reasoning ability. English 30 questions, 30 marks, 20 minutes. Numerical ability 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. Reasoning 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. So, 100 questions, 1 hour. That 20 minutes allotted to one subject cannot be taken for another. It is a category wise time division is there. So, 100 questions, 1 hour. Now, we shall come to the mains. General and financial awareness 50 questions, 50 marks, 35 minutes. English language 40 questions, 40 marks, 35 minutes. Quantitative aptitude 50 questions, 50 marks, 45 minutes. Reasoning ability and computer aptitude 50 questions, 60 marks, 45 minutes. So, total 190 questions, 200 marks and 2 hour 40 minutes. You cannot use the time specified for one topic for another. That is a specification given by the State Bank of India. Now, for prelims, the examinations are going to be conducted in the month of November. So, you will get 60 to 75 days, which is good enough to prepare for the prelims, and for mains you will get another 1.5 months. It will be conducted in the month of January 2023. So, a great chance to all of you. Grab the opportunities, work hard. It is a competitive examination and it is not like your academic examinations. You got to have the fire to compete, then only success shall come to you. So, our next offline classes would start on September 18. You may rush your application to, you can register with us at www.icdkollam.in. if you prefer to join the online class, that is ready at any time. Our Udyog Seva app is an excellent tool for you to learn. I am sure that aspiring candidates will look forward to work with us. We will guide you properly, but if you have the real mind to work hard, success shall be yours. It is a great opportunity to grab a big chance to work with the biggest financial institution in India in the next couple of months, few months time. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please share this video with people whom you think will be benefited by this. Let the information get passed on. I wish you all the success. May God bless.